want to, but the person that drinks first.
We'll lose.
Well, you gotta eat it like kind of quickly.
I'm not gonna like, whatever.
Like don't like take your time. Go.
1, you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you dropped like 30,000 grams of it. Salvador? Salvador already left, didn't he?
Oh, I'm good.
She lost.
First ball, so let's see who wins from y'all two.
Well, yeah, you're both.
Are we okay? Are we okay?
I'm good. I'm good.
Alan, you lost in the first
You know
round.
you
I didn't even eat that much at all.
What are y'all doing?
nothing.
Who won?
I have the hiccups now.
I can probably do it without.
The chili contest? Yeah.
Drink. Drink. You know you want to. You know. That cup wants you to drink it.
Hey! Can I try?
Okay, if you don't drink it, I'll drink it.
I'm drinking it. Whatever. I'll lose.
I want to try.
Finally.
I want to try. I want to try.
Cut.